Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a VR accessory review for your MetaQuest 2 headset, and we are going to be looking at these night chargeable grip covers by ZyberVR. So these ones on their website retail for $38.99. If you find them at the right time, you can also find them on sale, or you can use my promo code, just Brian Sloan, all capital letters, and that will get you 20% off. I'll put that in a little screen there below so you can check that out. If you use that, again, it'll get you 20% off. So in this video, I'm going to unbox these, I will assemble them, and then I will use them a little bit and give you my review and thoughts on them in the end. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I will link that playlist below for you as well. Let's jump into this one. Okay, here's the box. That came in the mail. Let's open this up. Here are the contents of the box. Special adapter batteries that fit into the space nicely. We got our cord here. So as you can see with this cord, it is one USB-C plug-in that splits into two to plug into the two controllers. So we'll set that to the side. Here we have one of our grip handles. Well, that seems quite nice. Here we have the right one. And in here we have two little black ends. We'll see what those are for. Two little Velcro ties and two transparent halo covers. It's going to take a second to look at the user manual. Alright, so now I'll show you how to assemble these. So our first step is to take out this and the battery from both the controllers. You can leave those off to the sides because we don't need the covers either. So take your controller here and you can insert the battery pack that comes with it. Underneath on both of them it'll say right and left. Here we got our left controller, so you can insert this here. Positive side is down, negative side is up. It fits in nice and snug now there. And technically you can do this one of two ways. If you want to, you can put this halo cover on first, and then this grip cover will strap over top of it, or you can put it on after and this will just sit on top of the little straps there. I'm going to put it on here first, and it just wraps around both underneath and over top. You can just kind of go around and clip it in. I think we got it there. And then if you look inside of the grip cover itself, you'll notice that that's the new covering that's going to be going over top of your controller. So make sure that this flap is opened. Put this down and in, and clip it into place. There we go. There we go, and you heard it clip in there. Pull this up, and then you'll see once you kind of got it all aligned, this top part just slides over and it buttons in on the other side. There we go, there's the one. And I've seen this on other grip covers, like the Kiwi design ones as well. And there you go. That is all clipped in. You can loosen and tighten by pressing the button and pulling the elastic part in and out. So I'm just going to do the same with the other one here quick. And once you're done, if you want to test them, you can just press the buttons on them and you'll see that these lights are blinking on both the controllers, meaning they're getting power. Means I've installed them correctly. So I'm going to go and use these now, and then I will give you my review. Alright, so I've been able to use these a little bit now, and I wanted to give you my thoughts on them after using them. So I'm just going to put one down here. I really like how they are extended. They're a little bit longer than regular controller grips, and it kind of extends that grip down a little bit. This makes this more suitable for larger hands as well, but can still be used with smaller hands, so it gives you a little bit more options there. It's really smooth and sleek. I like the feel of it. It has a nice grip right here on this side, some nice kind of coarse feeling there to give you a nice grip. This part here that goes over the hand is actually padded as well. A lot of other ones that I've tested, they're just either like a leather strip or maybe a silicone strip, but this one's actually padded in there as well, and it feels nice and comfortable on the hand. There's a metal button up here to keep that in place, and then a larger button down here. And something that I haven't seen before is this little mechanism here in order to tighten or in order to loosen that grip. Most other ones that I've seen either have like a strap that you use, or there's just nothing at all. So that's kind of a cool way to do that. Now that I've seen this one on this one, I've looked up a few other accessories like this from other companies, and I have seen this started to come out now and be a little bit more common. I like how it wraps up over the top, and there's the silicone protection for your halo cover there, and this black part actually comes right over top and kind of keeps that on there as well, which is nice. Again, it's a nice sleek design, very comfortable. It doesn't slide anywhere on your hand where it doesn't want to go, even without the wrist strap there. You can see at the very bottom, that's where that little piece goes there to charge it, which is really easy to plug in and out. Charge time is only about an hour, and it gives you 20 to 24 hours of playtime. That's pretty good. I do know of some other ones that do last a little bit longer than that, just rechargeable batteries. But for only an hour charge time, that's a lot of playtime for you, and then you're not having to worry about changing out batteries or anything like that. I do really like that you don't have to take the cover off in order to charge the batteries. Other rechargeable ones that I have, they don't work with covers. You got to take the cover off in order to charge those batteries. One thing that I think could be improved on for future ones is I haven't found I haven't found a controller grip cover yet that can be used with many other accessories, such as your golf club extension, or just your all-in-one extensions. You have to take this cover off or any other cover off in order to use those other accessories. Maybe one day we'll be able to find something that can kind of be really an all-in-one, a grip cover plus allow other extensions and accessories to be used with that. But that's really my only complaint that I've found with this one so far. So thank you for checking this one out. Again, on the ZyberVR store, they are $38.99. Use my promo code Brian Sloan, all in capital letters, to get an extra 20% off. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I will respond as soon as I can. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, make sure you check those out. I will link those below for you. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.